r p power r q power n minus r. That was replaced here by this, and mean is equal to variance is equal to lambda. This lambda is called Poisson-Virate. Poisson-Virate. Okay, so this is the Poisson-Virate definition. So again I recollect, revise or summarize what are the Poisson distribution. What is a Poisson distribution? It is a limiting case of binomial distribution. When a binomial distribution assumes a Poisson distribution, when the number of trials are sufficiently large and the probability of success is sufficiently small, and when the product of the trials number and this is NP is equal to lambda, a finite, then the Poisson distribution can take place of binomial distribution. And the Poisson distribution's distributing function for r successes is given by lambda power r e power minus lambda by r factorial, and mean variance is equal to lambda, and the lambda is called Poisson-Virate. We will see around 5 questions on this Poisson variable, Poisson distribution. These 5 questions are selected such that they cover exhaustively all the models and all the concepts, and majority of all these 5 questions are previously asked in one year or other in IPA. First question here. Yes, and the theory part, among the theory part, the arrival of mean and variance, which is given in some textbooks, is not in their syllabus. Simply, what is the mean, what is the variance, you should know. So, what is the guiding principles? Mean is equal to variance is equal to lambda, and probability of x is equal to r is e power minus lambda by lambda factorial into lambda power r. So, these are the guiding principles for any question on the Poisson distribution. First one, question 1. Here, if x is a Poisson-Virate with probability of x is equal to 1 is thrice the probability of x is equal to 2, find variance of x. Variance of x. This is the question. Variance, you can recollect lambda. So you are supposed to find lambda. So solution, first what is the given condition you write down? Probability of x is equal to 1 is same as thrice the probability of x is equal to 2. X is equal to 1. How to get this probability? Use this particular formula, e power minus lambda, which we don't know. Lambda power r we know, r is 1 by 1 factorial is equal to 3 into probability of x is equal to 2. X is equal to 2, what is that probability? E power minus lambda, and lambda unknown, r is 2 by 2 factorial. So what parts can be cancelled off? E power minus lambda can be cancelled. 1 lambda here, 1 lambda here can be cancelled off. So you are getting lambda is equal to 2 by 3. Lambda is equal to 2 by 3. Once lambda has come, what they are asking in the question, this question is solved now. Find the variance. What is the variance? Variance is lambda, which you have found. Therefore, variance is equal to 2 by 3. The sum is solved. From this relation, using this, we have supplied r values 1 and 2. We got lambda. Lambda is nothing but variance. Now we will take up question number 2 on Poisson distribution. Question number 2. If x is a Poisson-Virate, if x is a Poisson-Virate such that probability of x equal to 2 is 9 times probability of x is equal to 4 plus 90 times probability of x is equal to 6, then find mean of x. This is the question. Mean of x, already this is a guiding principle which I have listed here. Mean equal to variance equal to lambda, and probability of x is equal to r e power minus lambda, lambda power r factorial. So in the solution, first what you write? Given relation you write. What is the given relation? That you list. 9 times probability of x is equal to 4 plus 90 times probability of x is equal to 6. This is the given relation, which is rewritten as a part of the first step of the solution. E power minus lambda, lambda square by 2 factorial. In this probability distribution function, value of r alone we know. We don't know lambda. That is the thing which you have to find out. Mean of x, lambda you have to find out. Now 9 times probability of x is equal to 4. In this relation, you will put r is equal to 4. E power minus lambda and lambda power 4 by 4 factorial plus 90 times probability of x is equal to e power minus lambda, lambda power 6 by 6 factorial. Now, throughout, what part can be cancelled off? Lambda square can be cancelled off. And note that lambda is non-zero, so we can cancel off lambda square throughout. And e power minus lambda can also be cancelled off. 2 factorial can be cancelled off. Recollect what is 4 factorial? 24. 6 factorial? 720. 2 factorial? 2. So that is cancelled off. E power minus lambda gone, lambda square gone, 2 factorial gone. 1 will be left over. 9. Okay. And 1 lambda square will be left over. 4 factorial mean 24. 2 divided. So 12. 6 factorial is 720. 720. How much you cancelled off? 2 cancelled off. Through 360 will be left over. E power minus lambda cancelled off. Lambda power 6 will be retained only lambda power 4 because lambda square is get cancelled off. Now this will go 4 times. This will go 3 by 4 times. So what is the ultimate biquadratic we are getting? Lambda power 4 plus 3 lambda square minus 4 is equal to 0. Now factorization, lambda power 4 plus 4 lambda square minus lambda square minus 4 is equal to 0. So lambda square common, lambda square plus 4 minus 1 common, lambda square plus 4 is equal to 0. So lambda square is equal to 1. Lambda square is equal to minus 4. This is an absurd result. Lambda square cannot be negative. So lambda is equal to 1. Lambda is equal to 1. What is the lambda? Lambda is the mean. So therefore mean is equal to 1. That concludes the solution. Okay. Shall we re-see the solution? Yes. Solution is, this is first step is what? The given relation. Second step is substitution of the formula. Third step is cancellation of the common factors. Generated biquadratic. A biquadratic is generated here. That biquadratic is factorized, yielding 2 values. Among 2 values, one value is taken, another value is rejected. The value which is taken, lambda 1, is giving you the mean. Question number 3 in Poisson distribution. In a factory, 2% of items produced, 2% of items produced are defective. By using Poisson distribution, find probability of having more than 2 defective. In a sample of 100 items. Okay, this is the one.